Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to show you unboxing of my new TISSOT watch. So this watch is brand new. I just got it a couple of days ago, but I didn't open it. I was just waiting to make this video. So here we go. So let's get started. So here is the box. As always, TISSOT watches comes with a big box. And you can see on the back here it has TISSOT written, and then some paperwork. Here it is, the paperwork here. There is a big book here with all the TISSOT watch models here, and then I believe there is some history about TISSOT watches and all those things. So these are the two books it comes along with. So I'll put this aside here, and let me open this box here. So here you go. Here's the watch. Let me bring it close to you guys so you can see it nice and clear. It's a blue color, and the outer of the dial is blue and the inside is white with some blue letters in there. So let me take this out from here. Here it is. Let me put this back here. There's nothing else here in the box. So here's the tag, and let me remove this thing. Okay, I got this here. I'll put it aside. It's a leather band here. Here's the watch. And it has 3 dials inside. And let me show you the back. And it's a World Cup FIFA edition watch, so you can see this soccer ball logo on the back here. This is the side here with the TISSOT T written on it on the crown here, and these are the 2 chronograph buttons here. So basically this is a chronograph watch, and it's 42 mm size, the diameter of this watch here. It's a blue leather band with I would like red or maroon stitching on the border, and this is the back here. So let me put this on and see how it looks. So here you go. Okay, here you go. So it looks pretty decent. Again, this is not too big, not too small, but it's perfect for any wrist size. And it stands out. If I bring it close to you guys, you can see here. If I take it far away, you can still notice it. So as with any TISSOT watch, they put details pretty much in every department here. And it's not heavy, it's not too light. It's perfect for either a casual wear or a formal wear, or however you want to wear it. So it's perfect for any occasion, I would say. It also has a date window there, a small one, and then it has on the outer dial, it has numbers starting from 65 and all those so on. To me, this watch is pretty good. I think I ordered this watch in the mind when I was thinking about, okay, I want something which I can use anywhere, anytime. So I just don't want to stick to watch which is like too formal. I can't go out for any picnics or friends outing. So this watch can go with anything. I can put this on my suit or on my jeans, and this should be a perfect watch for any occasion. So I hope you guys like this video. Please comment and let me know if you have any questions or you want to know more details about the watch. And do watch my other videos. So I have other videos for my other TISSOT watches and the other brand watches. So please like and subscribe as well. Thank you guys for your time. See you. Bye bye.